Thoubal District ki Sangai Yumpham Part 1 amasung 2 gi manungda leiba tongan-tonganba club association amasung organization singi apex body ama oiriba United Development Committee gi Nauna Saba office building ngasi haunabi matung inna Khangabok AC gi MLA Okram Surjakumar na Shang-Gakhre Khangabok AC gi MLA gi local area development fund gi senthang makhada Sangai Yumpham Idiga manakta Saba UDC gi office building sangabagi Sangai Yumpham multi-purpose hall da pangthokpa thauram aduda Khangabok AC gi MLA O Surjakumar UDC gi president Mohammad Jafar Ali Sangai Yumpham Jila Parishad ki hanagi member Mohammad Hibzur Rahman Manipur Lenga ki Department of Minority Affairs ki joint director Mohammad Salahuddin Khan Administrative Committee Sangai Yumpham Part 2 GP gi chairperson Mohammad Wahidur Rahman na President member oina saruk yakhi Thauram gi saruk ama oina Khangabok AC gi MLA O Surjakumar na UDC gi executive member singda achamba khudol pot piduna ikai khunaba utkhi loinana handakta haidokiba MPSC na loba Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Examination da Yankhai Taruk Shuba rank tarakhraba Mohammad Aman Nawaz busu khudol pot piduna ikai khunaba utkhi